So yesterday, small. Now, one day, 24 hours, become big. Wow. Very fast, bro. Very fast. Limang kay paanak sa man.
Katsa. Namay nag.
Here. Because the flat, very clear, see.
Lah, malapok siya. Oh. Nah.
No.
Kung ano siya. Imo dyan siyang nilapok-lapok.
The pieces is planted is 600 pieces. Oh, 600. Now, the cost is 41,000 expense. Include the plastic mulch, include the tie, the nylon, also the
Twine.
tire wire.
So how about the fertilizer?
Fertilizer more than 4 sacks. This follow this wood 11 pesos per 1 pieces.
Chicken manure.
Twine 4 bundle.
So in one time harvest, how many kilo do you have?
Now one time harvest 400 kilos.
Wow.
Now you can produce now more than 1,500. Start to harvest
In 1 month?
6 no,
Oh,
in one month maybe mga 3,000
3,000
kilos.
3,000 kilos?
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Teacher, tabangin ako ni. Naong sana.
one week
Kalit man.
twice.
Nag-video din ma.
Twice.
1 week?
Yan na lang.
Dili.
Puno na di ba? Tuesday.
Puno na.
Dangan. Mong nana siya kalit.
Now fluctuate the price 38 per kilos. 38 per kilo. So this is now second ika-7 harvest. So maybe 350 kilos. That is minimum.
This kind of fruit, how many days it take to become mature?
This?
Yeah.
Saturday.
Saturday. Friday.
Only?
Harvest na.
Only 2 days?
Yesterday, like this. Yesterday, like this. Like this, like this. Yesterday.
Okay.
So, if finish harvest, you can put the drenching fertilizer. Use for the...
Maghapon kuan man ko dali ni mo tubo.
Use the water for water.
Dako kayo dito di pa man kamuli.
Drenching.
Sunod na.
So you spray to eat water or what?
Water use.
Water.
But they have three elements: pesticide, fungicide, foliar.
Oh,
So these three, I'm spray there. One set is 8,000 medicine.
okay.
Yeah, 8,000. Maybe 8,000. 3 times spray. Oh, 3 times spray. So 3 times harvest, you can produce more than 1,000 kilos.
Destroy the bugs, right?
Yeah.
The insect.
Oh, the insect. Also the fungus. Oh, fungicide. This is a garden called here in the Philippines high-tech.
High-tech.
Yes. Less than when the grass is spray round up only. No more crushing the grass. No more labor the grass.
So the whole farm, how long already the operation?
Now,
Bulan mong napan ko. Pagtanom ni man pila na kabulan. So
June 13 start.
Now
Plan.
it's already 2 months.
This June?
Oh, this June.
Wow.
June, July,
13.
Very fast.
13. Oh.
Very fast. 1 month and 10
And 7
days start to harvest. Very fast. 1 month and 10 days start.
Ginansyado naman ko.